In this video, we are going to show you how to automate workflows using Poppy AI. Now, the thing about automating your workflow, it's quite simple. It sounds confusing and intimidating, but in reality, it's just you linking up all the information you have to Poppy AI's chatbot, right? So here's the thing. I'm going to open a Poppy AI chatbot here on this blank board like so. So this is going to be our Poppy AI chatbot, right? So we're going to put it here on the right-hand side. Now, to automate our workflow, all we need to do is link it up with all the information it needs, and then all we need to do, just like any other LLM, is just ask it to do something we want using those sources, right? So we're gonna, for example, I want to collect or start collecting Pokemon cards this year in 2026. How do we do that? So I'm gonna just copy these links from websites. So paste it here. So there you go. That's one, right? I'm gonna copy this other link, right, and paste it here. That's two, right? You have two already. Now, I've seen some good videos on YouTube, so we're just gonna paste it here too. That's three, right? For example, let's just make it smaller. If you can make these smaller if you want, or just to make this look nice. There you go. And then we have another video. Paste it four. Put it down here, right? So now it looks great, right? All we need to do is hover our mouse on these circles on the right side of each element and click and drag to connect it here. And all we need to do is do this to every single element that we have pasted in this board, like so. And now it's now connected to our Poppy chat. Now we can just tell it. Automation is pretty much asking it to do something for us. So if I want it to create an image, it's going to do so using these sources. If I want to make a guide, for a blog, and just say, can you create an extensive, beginner-friendly guide on how to start collecting Pokemon TCG in 2026, and I just need to press enter, and it's going to start creating for us. It's pretty much automation, right? We don't need to do our research. I mean, we still need to do research in such a way where we need sources to feed our AI. It's pretty much just a ChatGPT, but instead of text-based, it's very visual, right? It looks great. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.